Everyone, I hope you're doing well and enjoying your summer on how to get started on learning your muscles. This green book that you've been told by all of the students here in the program, they tell you like this is the Bible and everything we talk about comes from here. It's kind of true. So there's going to be a lot of information in this book and a lot of memorization and applications from the information in here. So I just wanted to get you started, and I have provided a short video for you. I know the time frame it's 29 minutes long. You can break it up in chunks. I have titles for you that's broken up from the upper extremity to the lower extremity, but really it'll benefit you if you get this started this summer. So how we're going to use this is you're going to play the video and you're going to go along with it. So I'll push it here. You're going to see titles. You're going to see the motions in the intro page. Every title has page numbers for you to follow along, so you'll just open up to that page. And so here you see the motions. And all you're going to do is you're going to highlight. Those are all of the motions that you're going to learn. You're going to go to the lower extremity motions. You can look at the bottom corners there, and that'll have the page numbers. And you're going to need to highlight those because that's all the motions you're going to need to know. And as the video continues, I'm going to fast forward here for a second. You will see that I have condensed all of that information you see. So instead of memorizing everything you see on that page, let me go back here for a second. Everything you see on that page, which is this page 14, that's everything you need to know. So you'll see here on the traps that we've divided them into three, upper, middle, and lower. And so you just need to know those key things. So I've taken out C7 through T3. Don't need to know that, just know that it's on the spinous process. So all you have to do is go through this video and highlight everything that I have highlighted. There are some pages that have words on them, like you'll see that more here, or if I go to the page before, you will see that I have stuff written in here. What I will do is I will post on the community and tell you what those exact words are, because I know they're hard to read on that page number. So for this page it would be page number 6. Under rib you're going to write you're going to write vertebral fossa and then transverse fossa under the rib. So I will give you some of those words because I understand they are hard to read. So go ahead and get that highlighter out and start highlighting. This really helps condense this book into those key things you need to know. We will kind of go over it again, talking more about the application process and kind of how all the muscles work together in class, but this helps you get started and organized for studying. So I'm really excited for you guys to start learning this information. The human body is a great thing to learn, and you learn something new every day. And I look forward to seeing you guys in August. Enjoy the rest of your summer. I know some of you have a lot going on, but I really do think this is beneficial. So if you can give me 5 minutes each day to slowly go through this video and highlight things, you'll be ahead of the game. And so I will go through your books when you get here on Monday, August 13th, and make sure that you have completed this assignment. So enjoy. Have a great summer.